Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Who is the father of computer? The correct answer is Charles Babbage. The smallest unit of data in computer. The correct answer is bit. Keyboard is an example of. The correct answer is input device. Number of function keys in keyboard. Correct answer is 12. CPU stands for. The correct answer is Central Processing Unit. Number of arrow keys on keyboard. The correct answer is 4. How many keys are in keyboard? The correct answer is 104. How many generations of computer are there? The correct answer is 5. Files and data are permanently stored in. The correct answer is hard disk. Which key is used to refresh computer screen? The correct answer is F5. Device is used to connect computer with telephone line. The correct answer is modem. Which memory is temporary in nature? The correct answer is RAM. Instructions given to computer are called. The correct answer is program. Most commonly used input device is. The correct answer is mouse. Which is called the brain of the computer? The correct answer is CPU. RAM stands for. The correct answer is random access memory. Which are used in first generation of computer? The correct answer is vacuum tube. Shortcut key for new folder. The correct answer is Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Shortcut key for permanent delete. The correct answer is Shift plus delete. Which of the following is a storage device? The correct answer is hard disk. Which language does the computer understand? The correct answer is only binary. Which of the following are physical devices of a computer? The correct answer is hardware. Which device is used to scan documents? The correct answer is scanner. Second generation computers used. The correct answer is transistor. Which software controls computer hardware? The correct answer is system software. Which shortcut key is used to paste text? The correct answer is Ctrl plus V. The main system board of a computer is called. The correct answer is motherboard. USB stands for. The correct answer is Universal Serial Bus. Which type of storage is a hard disk? The correct answer is non-volatile. Which key is used to start a new line? The correct answer is enter. Full form of ALU. The correct answer is arithmetic logic unit. Which shortcut key is used to select all text? The correct answer is Ctrl plus A. Control, Shift and Alt are known as which key? The correct answer is modifier. Full form of LAN is. The correct answer is local area network. Shortcut key to save a file is. The correct answer is Ctrl+S. Shortcut key to undo an action is. The correct answer is Ctrl+Z. Which shortcut key locks computer screen? The correct answer is Windows+L. Internet protocol used for web pages. The correct answer is HTTP. The number of pixels displayed on the computer screen is called. The correct answer is pixels. The date and time displayed on. The correct answer is system tray